Hi from beautiful Aspen, Colorado. I just want to give you a quick channel update. As I mentioned, my family is a family of hikers and we have been hiking our way across the U.S. for the past month. So the videos that you have been watching for the past few weeks, the deck decor video, the powder room makeover, the DIY pantry video, and the productive nighttime cleaning video, those were all recorded, edited, uploaded, and scheduled before we left home a month ago. That said, there will not be a full video release today, Father's Day, but there will be a video full of all the content that I will create for our post-vacation cleanup. Also, because today is Father's Day, I want to say congratulations to all of those of you who celebrate. I would also like to acknowledge those of you who do not celebrate Father's Day, because I do understand that this is a painful day for some people, including myself. It is quite bittersweet because my dad has been gone for 3 decades, but I still do celebrate with my husband. If you do not celebrate Father's Day for any reason whatsoever, I just want to extend my condolences to you, and also I'd like to give you a cyber hug and say it's going to be okay. I understand. I love you. That said, look forward to a video next week, everyone. Have a fantastic week ahead of you. I will see you soon. Stay blessed.